Stop searching for that one perfect app that will finally fix your messy brain. It does not exist. We keep jumping from one tool to another like we are looking for a magic wand to organize our lives. Right now, three specific names keep popping up in every conversation about productivity, and people are treating it like a fight to the death. You have the giant in the room, which is Notion. It feels like a digital playground where everything is a block. You type a simple slash, and the whole world of options opens up before you. You can build databases. You can track massive projects. You can collaborate with 100 million other people who are using the same system. It is friendly and colorful, but it has a ceiling that sneaks up on you. You start for free and everything feels great until you hit that limit on your content blocks. Suddenly, you are looking at a monthly bill of $8 to $15 for every person on your team. It is a tool built for the crowd. If you are running a company, it is the obvious winner. But then you have the complete opposite approach with a tool like Obsidian. This is for the person who values digital privacy above everything else. Your notes are just plain text files sitting on your own hard drive. There are no corporate servers holding your ideas hostage in a cloud. It is free for your personal use, and you can customize it until it looks exactly how you want. But there is a catch that trips people up. If you want your notes to move between your computer and your phone, you have to pay a separate $4 fee for a sync service. It is for the digital librarian who wants their archive to outlive the company that made the software. Then there is the third option, which is Reflect. It is a fascinating middle ground that prioritizes speed. It is fast and uses heavy encryption to keep things private. It has high-end artificial intelligence and voice transcription baked right into the core experience. You can just talk to it and your thoughts become text instantly without you lifting a finger. But it does something that drives some people crazy. It has no folders, none at all. It forces you to think in connected ideas and dates instead of neat little drawers. It costs a flat $100 every single year with no free version to test the waters. They do not even have an app for every mobile platform yet. It is a bold choice for a niche audience. But here is the big secret that nobody tells you. These three tools are not actually competing for the same user. They represent completely different philosophies of how a human mind should function. Notion is for the architect who builds systems for a group. Obsidian is for the researcher who wants a permanent and private vault. Reflect is for the daily writer who thinks through conversation and sudden connections. Most people are unhappy with their tools because they are trying to force their brain into a philosophy that does not fit their personality. You do not need more features. You need a match for your natural rhythm. If you hate organization, a database will feel like a prison. If you love structure, a system without folders will feel like total chaos. The real win is not finding the best app on the market. It is finding the one that gets out of your way so you can actually do the work. We spend so much time comparing pricing plans and feature lists. We forget to ask if the tool actually fits how we think. The marketing will tell you that one app can do it all. The truth is that your brain is unique and your software should be too. Stop following the trend and start looking at how you actually spend your day. Are you a builder or a writer? Are you a team player or a lone wolf? The answer to that question is more important than any subscription price you will ever pay. Choose the one that feels like a natural extension of your own thoughts.